Hey beauties, welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Today's look is inspired by the most amazing PatrickStarrr. Yeah. If you don't know who PatrickStarrr is, I will leave his channel link on the description box down below. He's the most incredibly amazing makeup artist here in YouTube. So here's my inspiration look. I'm obsessed. So please do check him out if you don't know him yet. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with. It's so pretty, so appropriate for the summertime. So if you want to know how I did this look, so just keep on watching. First, I will be applying this base to even out the lids. Then I'm gonna be warming the lids using this bronzer because warmer undertones looks more flattering on me. Now taking this shadow from the Reveal 3 palette, and I will be working this onto my crease to make my eyes look more deep set and also to lessen the hoodiness. Now I'm going to be applying this color into the mauve portion of the eyelid. Using the same brush from earlier, I'm blending the two colors where they meet. Now for the fun part, I will be lining my eyes using this beautiful aqua blue pencil eyeliner, just the same way that you would line your eyes with a black pencil eyeliner, but here I'm making it a little thicker because I really wanted to show, since I will be applying this black pencil eyeliner closest to my lash line, and also use this to tightline my upper waterline. Now using this brush to smudge and soften the pencil eyeliner that we applied onto our lash line. Now I'm going to be setting that gel eyeliner with the same colored eyeshadow. Now apply some mascara and also curl them lashes. Then I went ahead and applied my lashes to complete the eye look. Now it's time to conceal that darkness. Here I'm using a salmon colored concealer to neutralize my dark under eye circles. I also went ahead and brighten and highlight my under eye area using this yellow undertone concealer. First, I'm applying it using my fingers, and then I'm blending it with a sponge to make it look really blended and seamless. Now taking this brown eyeliner, I will be applying this only into the outer portion of my eyes to give definition, and also this helps in making my eyes look a little longer and bigger. Then I'm going to be setting that brown eyeliner using this brown eyeshadow to make it last longer and stay put the entire day. Now it's time for powder. So no foundation for me today. I will just be using this powder from Helen Park, and it does a great job in really evening my skin. So now it's time for filling the brows. Yes. Fill that brow, baby. Looks so serious. So serious. So now it's time for a nose job. Yeah, I'm just giving my nose a little contouring to make it look a little taller. And now I am warming the face, or giving my face a little shape again because it looks way flat when I apply that powder. And now I'm applying some blush to give more life to my face again. Now it's time for the lippies. So I'm just using here a pinky peachy lipstick. I love this lipstick actually. Doesn't it look pretty, right? Don't you think? So yeah, we're all done here now. This is the final look. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it?
Do you not? So yeah, this is it.
I hope you like this look, you guys, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you happen to recreate this on yourself, please do feel free to share it or post it on all my social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, anywhere else. I would definitely love to see your own versions of this looks. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, until next time, I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone.